What would you do if one of your construction projects stalled after materials were stolen from the worksite? Or what if you were en route to a client and crashed your vehicle, damaging key equipment you needed to complete the job? To protect your business, you should consider an installation floater. These policies are designed to provide coverage for your property that is being installed, fabricated, or erected until your work has been approved. What's more, this coverage can protect property on the construction site, at temporary locations, or in transit. Let's look at an example. An HVAC contractor was installing an industrial heating and air conditioning unit system at an office building. Because of the size of the project, the contractor had to transport the materials in batches. Unfortunately, some of the materials were damaged while in transit to the worksite. Thankfully, an installation floater was in place and the HVAC contractor was reimbursed for the losses. Installation floaters are essential for a variety of contractors. To learn more about this type of coverage, contact us today.